Hey, it's Jeremy from Oxner Insurance with your cyber moment. Yeah, here we go. Manufacturing facility shut down because of cyber attacks. Bassett Furniture. Boy, this is a tough one. Bad threat actor, unauthorized access to their IT systems, shutting down some of their systems in their manufacturing facilities are currently not operating. This comes on the heels of their reporting losing in $8.5 million dollars, or revenues decreasing 83.4 million over the same quarter last year. So this is not good. I hope they have a broad form cyber insurance policy. I'm sure their IT folks are working overtime to figure out what exactly happened and if any personal information was compromised. We have a number of carriers that write business in this space, manufacturing, cabinetry, wood products, et cetera. And then we also pair those up with broad form cyber insurance policies to handle business income loss, which is potentially high, and or if there was some sort of ransom request,